In this, we will get the answer in terms of k because tan 35 degrees is k. So the purpose is here convert tan 145 and tan 125 in terms of 35 degrees. Tan 145 degrees is equal to tan of 180 minus 35, which is minus tan 35, which is minus k. Now tan 125 degrees is equal to tan 90 plus 35, which is minus tan 35 minus cot 35, which is minus 1 by tan 35, which is minus 1 by k. So we will substitute these values in this expression. So tan 145 minus tan 125 divided by 1 plus tan 145 into tan 125. Tan 145, I got minus k. Tan 125 degrees, I got minus 1 by k by 1 plus minus k into minus 1 by k. So here I'll get minus k, minus into minus plus 1 by k divided by this gets cancelled, 1 plus 1. Take LCM here k minus k square plus 1 by 2, 1 minus k square by 2k. So that's how you will get 1 minus k square by 2k. C as the answer for that.